Let's play probably the most popular song in Lord of the Rings, Concerning Hobbits. We're just going to go over the motif, which comes up all the time throughout the movie. It's very simple. You're just going to fret the double string and strum. We'll slow it down. As always, we can make it a little more challenging. We can play it on the low octave and add a little harmony to it. Now, if you're playing with someone else who's playing the melody, you could just do the chords. You don't have to do that melody harmony combo that I just did. What you're going to do is you're going to play a D chord, or 2 open open if you're going from bass string to double string. We're also using a G chord, 3 1 open, and an A chord, 1 open 1. Now these are just variations of those chords. There's other ways to play it. One way, you can just flip those chords around so G could be open 1 3. We're going to play them the other way, keeping most of the notes on the low strings. It'll go kind of something like this. There you go. Now, you got a few options in how to play it. You could sing da-da-da-da-da just like I did, or do it however you'd like to. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, check out my other videos, or like and subscribe, do all the pleasantries. That always helps me out. As always, I'll see you in the next one.